Brother ScanNCut DX Cutting Machine Stepwise Tutorial. Step 1. First unpack the machine and other tools from the packaging. Step 2. Plug in the power cord and press the power button to turn it on. Step 3. Open the front door, open the compartment and unpack the tools. Step 4. Grab the touch pen stylus and close the compartment. Step 5. Go to the display screen and tap the display screen. Step 6. Tap OK on the instructions to proceed. Step 7. Select the Wi-Fi icon on the top left side of the screen and select Setup Wizard. Step 8. It'll start searching for SSID and display a list of networks available in the area. Step 9. Select your network from the list and tap OK. Step 10. Type in the wireless network password and tap OK. Step 11. Select Yes in the Apply Settings screen and it'll start connecting. Step 12. Tap Next in the Connected to WLAN screen and tap Next again when it tells you to register the connection between the Canvas Workspace account and the machine. Step 13. It'll display a PIN code you can input to register your machine at Canvas Workspace. Step 14. Go to your computer, navigate to the official Canvas Workspace website and click Register. Step 15. Scroll down to the bottom, check the I agree box and click Register. Step 16. Fill in your details and all the information required, then click Next. Step 17. Confirm your information and click Register. Step 18. Open the confirmation email you've received, then click on the link to confirm. Step 19. Click Now Start Canvas Workspace. Step 20. Once you're in Canvas Workspace, click on your profile icon on the top right side of the screen. Step 21. Click Machines Registration, then click Register a new machine. Step 22. Input the PIN code that was displayed in the brother machine in the No field and click OK. Step 23. It'll display a PIN code to input into your machine. Check the PIN code and click OK. Step 24. Go back to your brother machine and tap OK. Step 25. Key in the PIN code that was displayed, tap OK and it'll start processing. Step 26. Tap OK on the Canvas Workspace Settings has been specified screen. Step 27. Press the return arrow icon and press OK to return to the home screen. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.